Are you planning to ride the Maya train soon? In today's video, I've got the latest updates on ticket prices and where to purchase, schedule changes, and the essential tips you need to make your journey smooth and enjoyable. Stay tuned to avoid any surprises and make the most out of your trip on this iconic infrastructure project. Let's go. What's good, MexitPlanners? It's been a few weeks since my unforgettable journey on the Maya train from Cancun to Merida. If you missed my initial adventure, you can catch it in the link above. There have been several new developments since December 16th, so I'm here today to bring you up to speed on everything new with the Maya train. First, let's talk about the new schedule that kicked off at the beginning of January 2024. With the opening of new sections, including Section 1 to Palenque, the train timetable had seen some adjustments. Currently, there are 2 trains leaving from Cancun to Palenque each day, and the reverse is true as well. This means that sections 1 through 4 are active of the Maya train system, though not every station is up and running yet. Departures from Cancun are at 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. heading west towards Palenque. A key point to remember is that Cancun is 1 hour ahead of Palenque and all the other stations along the route. This includes the Merida station. Due to these additional services, the schedule to Merida has been slightly revised. The Cancun to Merida trip now takes about 4 hours. The train departs Cancun at 7 a.m., which is 6 a.m. Merida time, arriving in Merida at 10 a.m., before departing at 10:18 on towards Palenque. Now, another train leaves Cancun at 9 a.m. and arrives at Merida at 12 p.m. and departs at 12:18, again heading towards Palenque. Stations like Valladolid, Tixcocob, and Merida are operational, but the Chichen Itza station remains closed, which is a big point. For those traveling from Merida to Cancun, departures are set at 3:23 p.m. and 5:30 p.m., which is very different from the times of last year. With a travel time on the Maya train of 4 hours, you'll arrive in Cancun at 8:23 p.m. and 10:30 p.m., again factoring in the 1 hour time difference from Cancun and the rest of the Yucatan Peninsula. Now let's switch gears to buying tickets. You can purchase tickets at the Merida Tella station, the Nia Towers in San Ramon Norte, Merida, or online. The first online site, which was etickets.mx or MX, is no longer available. Let me repeat that. The first online site, eticket.mx, is no longer available for purchase of Maya train tickets online. The new location is the actual official Maya train online ticket sales site, and it is www.entradastrainmaya.com.mx. So the site has tickets available for about a week from today, which is Sunday, January 28th, and it has the most current schedule between the routes. So check entradas.trainmaya.com.mx for scheduling and pricing. The online platform provides pricing for nationals and international travelers, but local residents have to get the discount in person at one of the ticket offices in Merida or Cancun, for example. And you need to show your ID, such as your INE card if you're a citizen, or your resident card issued in one of the states of the Maya train system in order to get the discount. On the back of your resident card, it actually shows where your residency was issued, and that would qualify you for the local pricing, which is very different from the national pricing and the international pricing. It's a manual process to buy tickets at the ticket office, so pack plenty of patience and allow time to purchase your tickets. A critical point that you absolutely need to know is that ticket sales close 30 minutes before the train departs. So to avoid any hassles, it's best to secure your tickets well before your travel day. Back in December, I had a family member visit for Christmas, and they didn't already have Maya train tickets. They took the shuttle from the Cancun airport over to the Maya train station and didn't have tickets and couldn't purchase them because of this 30-minute time window. That resulted in them spending $100 to get from the Maya train station over to the Audio bus station, which is absolutely criminal, but I didn't know what was going on, and they just handled it because they were ready to get to Merida. With the current schedule, you might need to adjust your travel plans, possibly take the train in a day before or a day after your flight from Cancun to accommodate your schedule to reach Merida or vice versa. There have been some hiccups, such as one of the trains breaking down and passengers having to unload and take a bus back to their origin point of their trip. President AMLO also said recently that the Cancun section to Tulum will be open on February 29th, but that is a huge departure from the entire system being fully operational on that day. They're now expecting the full train to be operational, or at least all the routes to be open in late April or early May, but it's still a work in progress. So until the kinks are fully fleshed out, I highly recommend that you still take the ADIO if you have travel plans, or go the day before or the day after to take the train. At this time, if you're thinking about taking the train, do it for the experience and pack your flexibility. I'd love to hear from you about your recent experiences with the Maya train in the comments below. If you haven't taken the Maya train yet, what are your main concerns? Is it cost? Is it scheduling? Or is it the lack of information? For more insights on the train's different sections, check out this video over here. And until next time, MexitPlans Monty, I'm out.